This simple game tutorial how to make a wall dodger. So first of all, you're going to delete this, and then you're going to paint a sprite, name it layer and choose any color. I'm going to choose black, and then what you're going to do is make it about this size, center it, go here when red flag clicked, delete this variable, make a variable called x, and make a variable called y for all sprites. And then also go to wherever if sensing key W pressed, you're going to change y by 1. I'm going to duplicate this, change this to S, and then put that in there and change this to -1. And then you're going to duplicate both of these, set this to X, and this to X also, set this to A, and set this to D, and then put them in there. And then do motions, change X and change Y by X variable and Y variable. And then what you're also going to do is set X and set Y to operators times X times 0.9. Same for Y. You're actually going to make this D and make this one A. And what you're also going to do is, for now, when green flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, and also set X and set Y to 0. So that's the basic movement. Now we're going to add the balls. So before that, I'm just going to make the clear a little bit more smaller, just about that size. And then I'm going to paint a new sprite. Use the square tool and make it a rectangle. And say when green flag clicked, go to these positions. So, and then you're going to do forever, wait 1 second, and then create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, you're going to do is go to looks, show, and put a hide in there. And you're going to do go to pick random you're going to go to Y 184 and pick random 240 to negative 240. And then you're just going to do a repeat until Y position is equals to 180 negative 178. So then you're going to put that in there, and also do change x, change y by negative 5, and then you're going to do if sensing touching clear, then stop all. And you're going to name this Sprite wall and go to it and just make it thinner and a little bit longer. And then you're just going to hide these two variables. And you're also going to do it so the player spawns here. So that position is negative 5 and 0 and negative 147. And that's it for how to make a simple Scratch game.